Hey guys, just real quick, I thought I'd share. We just installed our Evil Energy catch can on our Gen 3 Hemi here. Looks like it's a really quality kit. I really like it. But you guys tell me how I have it plumbed. I have taken several different suggestions and I've very appreciated on the forums on Facebook. So when we ran it on the stand, I had basically coming from under the throttle body a vacuum line from here on the prefix intake manifold that came down to one of the vents right here. So this time on the catch can, I've heard vent it to atmosphere or go to a vacuum source like a PCV. I'm going to vent it to atmosphere. You tell me, does this need to be on the inside, on the inlet side, or the outlet side? That's how I have it set up for now. I plugged this up because we've got a vent right here, but you guys tell me. But look, it has a really slick, got a dipstick right here. If you can check, see if you've got some oil that's starting to build up in there. Temporarily, this is going to the dyno next Friday up down in Arkadelphia, Kuntz Performance. But it's mounted here on top of the fuel rail for dyno purposes. Obviously, when it goes into the CUDA, it's going to have a different place. But I'm really impressed at the quality of this thing. I got it on Amazon. So yeah, Evil Energy, some guys on Facebook on the 5.7 Hemis, the Hemi forums suggested it. Looks like a pretty nice setup. So 300 milliliter oil catch can by Evil Energy. And please leave comments below. Tell me what you think.